Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer. Today we're looking at 15 affordable classic motorcycles currently for sale across the United States. Some interesting vintage finds included. Number 1. 1960 Harley-Davidson Pan Head/Shovelhead, $9,800, New Haven, Kentucky. First up is a 1960 Harley-Davidson custom build that combines classic panhead heritage with shovelhead components. Harley-Davidson's big twin engines from this era are some of the most iconic American motorcycle designs ever produced, known for their distinctive styling, mechanical simplicity, and strong following among vintage bike enthusiasts. According to the seller, the motorcycle runs great and remains in very good shape considering its age. The dash was replaced in the early 1990s after the original unit stopped functioning, so the mileage is unknown. Even with that detail, it appears to be a solid-running vintage Harley that still captures the unmistakable character of classic American V-twin machines. Number 2. 1973 Suzuki GT185 Adventurer, $3,295, Thaxton, Virginia. Next is a 1973 Suzuki GT185 Adventurer, a lightweight two-cylinder, two-stroke motorcycle from Suzuki's popular early 1970s lineup. The GT185 was known for its quick revving engine, simple design, and fun riding character, making it a popular choice for riders who wanted a small but lively vintage machine. This particular example is described as being in excellent condition and remarkably well preserved. The seller notes that the bike is completely original and has not been restored, which is increasingly rare for motorcycles of this age. It reportedly starts, runs, and shifts perfectly while retaining its factory components and classic styling. Number 3. 1973 BMW R60/5, $3,300, Richmond, Virginia. Next is a 1973 BMW R60/5, part of BMW's well-respected /5 series of motorcycles that helped define the brand's reputation for reliability and long-distance touring capability. Powered by a 600cc air-cooled boxer twin engine, these bikes are widely appreciated for their smooth ride and durable mechanical design. This example is currently in a moderate state of restoration and shows some visible wear on the body. It has recently received brand-new Mikuni carburetors with fewer than 50 miles of use. The seller notes that the bike will need some maintenance, including an oil pan gasket, oil filter, and possibly tank cleaning, along with a fresh battery and tuning. Number 4. 1975 Yamaha RD350, $3,500, Chardon, Ohio. Next up is a 1975 Yamaha RD350 finished in bright orange. The RD350 is one of the most famous two-stroke performance motorcycles of the 1970s and remains highly sought after by collectors thanks to its lightweight design and lively engine performance. The seller has owned the motorcycle for about 6 years and only ridden it roughly 500 miles during that time. The bike reportedly runs great and started on the third kick after sitting through the winter. It also comes with several original components, including the factory pipes, airbox, center stand, and original cylinders. Number 5. 1977 Triumph Bonneville Speed Twin Tribute, $7,500, Wildwood, New Jersey. Next up is a 1977 Triumph Bonneville that has been converted into a custom hardtail build, inspired by the classic Triumph Speed Twin style. The Bonneville series remains one of the most recognizable British motorcycles ever produced, known for its parallel twin engine and timeless design. This particular motorcycle has been professionally restored and customized by Liberty Vintage in Fishtown. According to the seller, the bike runs great and presents very well with its burgundy finish and classic hardtail look. The sale also includes an enclosed trailer, making it an interesting package for a collector or vintage motorcycle enthusiast. Number 6. 1982 Kawasaki KZ440 LTD, $1,500, Merrimack, New Hampshire. Next is a 1982 Kawasaki KZ440 LTD, a classic lightweight cruiser from the early 1980s. The KZ440 models were known for their simple and reliable twin-cylinder engines, comfortable riding position, and easy handling, making them popular entry-level motorcycles during that era. Their belt drive system also helped reduce maintenance compared to traditional chain-driven bikes. According to the seller, this bike was purchased as a project last spring and has since received several upgrades and maintenance items. These include brand new tires, a carburetor cleaning, new spark plugs, fresh rear shocks, and a full oil and filter change. The seat cover has also been replaced, and the bike was repainted to give it a cleaner appearance. Number 7. 1979 Vespa P125X, $3,200, Wexford, Pennsylvania. Next is a 1979 Vespa P125X, showing just 2,373 miles. The P-Series Vespas became some of the most popular scooters ever produced by the Italian manufacturer, known for their durable pressed steel body construction, reliable two-stroke engines, and simple four-speed manual transmission controlled directly from the handlebars. This example was acquired from a longtime owner and has recently been serviced. According to the listing, it received 3 new tires, a new carburetor, a new fuel shutoff valve, and a new fuel filter, along with several other small maintenance items. The seller notes that the scooter typically starts within 1 or 2 kicks. Number 8. 1976 Honda CB550, $5,000, Boswell, Pennsylvania. Next up is a 1976 Honda CB550 showing only 5,892 miles, which is extremely low for a motorcycle of this age. The CB550 was part of Honda's famous inline 4 lineup that helped define the universal Japanese motorcycle era during the 1970s, offering smooth power delivery and balanced handling. The seller describes this motorcycle as a one-of-a-kind vintage example in excellent overall condition. With its original styling and relatively low mileage, it appears to have been carefully preserved over the years. The only issue mentioned is that the carburetors may need cleaning before the bike is put back into regular use. Number 9. 1976 Moto Guzzi 850 T3, $1,600, Chicago, Illinois. Next is a 1976 Moto Guzzi 850 T3, a classic Italian touring motorcycle powered by Moto Guzzi's distinctive transverse V-twin engine. These bikes became known for their strong highway performance, reliable shaft drive system, and unique mechanical layout that made them stand out from other motorcycles of the time. According to the seller, the motorcycle was properly winterized and then stored indoors for about 10 years. At the time it was stored, the bike was reportedly running great and performing well. However, after sitting for so long, it will likely need some work, including a new battery, possible carburetor servicing, and attention to the speedometer and front brake master cylinder.
But at least I'm not dancing alone. All kinds of crazy.
Number 10. 1975 Yamaha RD200, $4,200, Oneonta, New York. Next is a 1975 Yamaha RD200, finished in blue. The RD200 was part of Yamaha's well-known RD series of lightweight two-stroke motorcycles that became very popular during the 1970s thanks to their quick acceleration and fun riding character. This particular example is described as a completely original and unrestored motorcycle. It also features electric start, which was not always common on smaller bikes of that era. According to the seller, the bike was purchased from the original owner and remains in excellent condition.
In your hands, you got me, babe. I'm yours to have. Don't hurt me.
Number 11. 1967 Vespa Sprint 50, $8,999, Warren, Ohio. Next is a unique 1967 Vespa Sprint 50 that comes with a matching vintage sidecar, making it one of the most eye-catching listings in this group. Classic Vespa scooters from the 1960s are already highly collectible, but examples paired with original or period-correct sidecars are far less common and often attract attention from collectors and enthusiasts alike. This particular scooter is described as well-maintained and running perfectly. Like traditional Vespas of the era, it features a manual gear shift and clutch operated from the left handlebar, with the throttle and front brake on the right. The engine runs on a gas and oil premix system, typical for vintage two-stroke scooters. With its classic black finish and sidecar setup, this Vespa could make a fun vintage cruiser or a standout display piece. Number 12. 1976 Honda Goldwing GL1000, $2,750, Ridgeway, Pennsylvania. Next up is a 1976 Honda Goldwing GL1000, finished in red and showing 30,762 miles. The first-generation Goldwing models, introduced in the mid-1970s, helped redefine long-distance touring motorcycles with their smooth, flat-4 engine, shaft drive, and exceptional reliability. According to the seller, this bike runs strong and continues to be a reliable classic machine. However, it does need a few maintenance items to keep it in top shape. The tires should be replaced, and the timing belts are now about 6 years old, which many owners prefer to change as preventive maintenance on these engines. Number 13. 1958 Harley-Davidson ST165, $6,500, West Bend, Wisconsin. Next is a small but very interesting piece of Harley-Davidson history, a fully restored 1958 Harley-Davidson ST165. This lightweight two-stroke motorcycle features a 165cc engine and represents an era when Harley experimented with smaller displacement machines. The seller states that the motorcycle has undergone a complete restoration and the engine was professionally rebuilt. Because of listing requirements, the mileage shows 300 miles, but the bike essentially has 0 miles since restoration. Due to its compact size and vintage appearance, bikes like this are sometimes displayed in bars, garages, or collector spaces. Number 14. 1972 Ossa Pioneer 250, $1,500, Clinton, Pennsylvania. Next is a 1972 Ossa Pioneer 250, a vintage Spanish off-road motorcycle that was popular during the early days of recreational trail riding and enduro competition. Ossa motorcycles were well known for their lightweight design and lively two-stroke engines. According to the seller, this example runs great and starts on the first kick. The engine reportedly has excellent compression and shifts smoothly through the gears. The bike currently runs and rides well, and the seller mentions that a new seat and shocks will be installed soon. Number 15. 1974 Kawasaki F11 250 Enduro, $900, Mill Run, Pennsylvania. Rounding out the list is a 1974 Kawasaki F11 250 Enduro finished in green. These vintage dual sport machines were built to handle both dirt trails and street riding, making them versatile motorcycles during the 1970s. The seller states that the bike runs well and would benefit from being ridden regularly again. The tires appear to still be in good condition, and overall the motorcycle is described as being in good shape for its age. However, it does not currently have a title, which may affect registration depending on the buyer's state regulations. Thanks for watching Moto Market Explorer. Tell us your favorite in the comments and subscribe for more classic motorcycle finds.